Good evening. This is Kumar Princeville. Right now we have with us Mr. and Mrs. Tuhin Singaroy. So your introduction, please.
So I'm Tuhin Singaroy. I'm intellectual property attorney by profession, and I'm living in Pune for about last 6 years.
Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm in IT industry. I'm an assistant consultant in our MNC. So I'm living here for almost 4 years.
How do you come to know about this project?
So when I first came to Pune about 6 years back, so I was introduced to Kumar Properties. I heard about Kumar Properties from one of our colleague, and then I heard about Kumar Properties from one of our chartered accountant. And I was actually spending a lot of money in paying in income taxes. And incidentally, one of my banker in Hadafsar, they also spoke very well about Kumar Properties as to the different projects they are working, the legal sanctions, and transparency, many things. I was not even looking for any property, but I don't know. Somehow I got introduced by chartered accountant and bankers that Kumar Properties could be one of the options if I am looking for any property.
What was your interaction with the sales engineering? How it was?
So I visited few of Kumar projects in Pune when I was living in Pune in Hadafsar. But I was actually looking to buy property in Pimpri Chinchwad. So I was looking around Pimpri Chinchwad. I had no clue that Kumar Properties has already started one project, the first ever project, the Kumar Properties in Pimpri Chinchwad. And I visited. I was surprised with the kind of projects they introduced here. The amenities, the building structure, the open space. So I was quite surprised, and I immediately thought that this is what I was looking for. And I took a call in about 1 week's time that I would finalize my property and buy the property here. And that time the sales guy, I think his name was Mehboob. He talked to me, and I was feeling very homely to know about the projects, the details, the pricing, the costing, the different kind of approval, and how this area is going to emerge going forward. So I was quite happy, and immediately I visited. In about 14 days time, I visited Kumar Properties corporate office in East Street. And everyone there, I guess the lady by name Alka, she was there, and she helped us a lot. We were even met one of the director, and we could speak and we could understand many of the details things, and everyone from sales team to the management team, they are very helpful to explain every details, and I never felt that anything is untold or we are missing anything. So
Yeah, main thing is the Kumar Property is very transparent. Whatever we have doubt, whatever, they are ready to help anything. And apart from this, not the sales person only, we are very happy while you're talking to Amay Join and Kamal and Join. So they are very much, whatever problem you tell, they are ready to guide. Their finance team, their marketing team, whatever we have, we are very, very happy that we can recommend our friend circle, and if you wish to buy any more property, we'll definitely will not go beyond Kumar. We will definitely are so happy, we'll be stick in Kumar only.
Who's the main decision maker? You or ma'am?
We both. Both. So probably I would initiate certain decision, but the confirmation, the call would come from both of us.
But for this property while booking, we are just thinking that that time we don't have enough money for down payment, but we are so happy with this project that we have to buy.
See, basically you have seen the transformation.
Exactly.
Right from the building coming up, later on all the amenities getting ready in front of you. Later on the society has been formed right now. How was it? How was the experience? Because right now the society have been formed. How is the people? How is the environment out over here?
So post possession. So every time we went back to Kumar Properties, they helped in every possible way. Be it in the completion of certain items, certain project related stuff, or be it finance or any amenities, helping out all over any maintenance related issues, any building structure related issues. So the engineering team, they helped us in numerous ways. So all the time, if something is not working, we just had to give one call, and they were at our flat to help us out. So everything has been so very pleasing that we couldn't even think anything beyond Kumar Properties or anything. I mean, I think I have heard many good things before I booked the properties, but the experience that I have got after purchasing the property and after starting living at Kumar Properties, I think everyone is very true that how Kumar Properties created a brand. Now it's not just a brand. I mean, they are in the field for about more than 50 years. Which is remarkable for a builder. I could meet a person who used to know when Kumar Properties started their business, and they used to sell the property 50 rupees per square feet. So the people from 50 years experience and people who are having the recent experience, they would all speak in the same language that Kumar Properties probably is give you the value that you look for to buy a home and to start living in a place.
How is the society out over here?
So society, to be very honest, it is maintained very well. Post handover of possession, so it was responsible to Kumar Properties, and they maintained everything as if everything was built very fresh. So starting from the podium garden, the clubhouse, the amphitheater, the cleanliness around, so everything was so very pleasing. I mean, we are very happy to stay and live here, and it's not just my feeling; it's feeling of all the the members of the society and the people who are living here on rent basis. And I think in the market probably is one of the prime location, prime property here, and everybody wants to be part of this society.
See, basically you have seen the transformation out over here regarding
Yeah.
development point of view.
Right.
In future, how you tend to look at this area out over here?
So to be very honest, since my brother is visiting, so I was just last 2 days I was explaining that how this place has transformed in last 3 years, just 3 years. So the roads are being built, the DP plans which were put in place, and they are now being implemented. The pipelines, water supply, the sewerage, and there are many schools, there are many shops around. So some of the very big brands, they are also coming around. We have multiplex over here. We have theatre. Carnival started operating in last 6 months, so which is just about 3 kilometers from here. Not even 3 kilometers. So you have good schools. There are hospitals around, and there are shops and malls around. You have market, Bhaji Mandi around. Star Bazaar, Big Bazaar, D-Mart are also around. And
you can just dial, you can get a cab anytime. Earlier we used to
Yes,
go in
yes,
that we're
so-
thinking Uber, Ola we're getting. Now we
so-
can go anywhere. There is no issue.
Ola, there is a big point. Ola,
Because
Uber.
I used to travel a lot by Uber, Ola, and there's a 3 minutes waiting time I can get.
Yeah, so in today's time, Ola Uber is just you can get almost instantaneously. So there is no problem for commuting. So everything is around. I think in the next 2 years, it would be completely changed place, and so probably this is very very high time to give a consideration to this place, which is growing at very fast pace in every respect.
In fact, you have been telling us that you will be referring your friends, your relatives,
Yes.
or your colleagues out over here.
We do refer, actually not referring, we are referring.
We
it.
referred, to be very honest, at least 10 people who heard from us and they have purchased property here. At least 10 people. So
So you are satisfied.
yeah, I'm very much
We are
satisfied.
highly satisfied with this.
Not just that, as I mentioned, I would maintain that if I get a chance to buy a second property, I probably would not consider any other property apart from Kumar Properties. So I don't feel that confidence that everything would be delivered on time and everything would be as per
the
regulations,
documents,
the
yeah. Everything is very
documentations.
transparent.
So I can rely so much which
See-
is not possible beyond.
Basically, you have talked many positive things about Kumar Properties. Any negative thing or anything which we should improve as a brand? What do you want to say?
Basically, you can think that I have to take a time to at least think what you could improve. There is nothing as such that you can improve. Nothing is coming in my mind that you can improve possibly. The value that people are getting, any property purchaser getting is something which is unmatchable if you go elsewhere. So I don't think anything is require any improvement. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.